Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome on into today's video. I hope you guys are doing great. I just received my Ipsy Ultimate for the month of August, and this is kindly gifted from Ipsy. I will have the link to sign up in my description box as well as in a pinned comment. I do earn a small commission if you do sign up. I'm so excited. Y'all already know that I love subscription boxes, mystery boxes, specifically Ipsy, but even more specifically the Ipsy Ultimate, formerly known as the Icon box. May's box, you guys, in my opinion, is the best subscription box we've ever gotten, like seriously. So I'm hoping that August is just as good. Comment down below, let me know right now. On a scale of 1 to 5 yellow hearts, do we think it's gonna be a 1 or a 5? Somewhere in between? I don't know. I'm gonna shut my mouth and we're gonna dive right on in, y'all. Like I said, I do receive this as PR from Ipsy and I'm extremely grateful, but I still get my paid for boxes, and I have received Ipsy and paid for Ipsy myself since March of 2015. So this isn't something where, oh, I got PR, so now I like it, or whatever the case may be. I'm thrilled to get my paid for subscription as well. All right, and you guys know I get no spoilers. If you want some spoilers, I am going to link my beautiful friend True down for you guys, because she is up to par and on top of all of the spoilers for all the subscription services. And she's phenomenal, she's informative, she's beautiful in and out, so please go check her out if you do like spoilers. I do not, and I like to be surprised. It is packaged really nicely with a big piece of foam, some paper, all of the things. And it does say Fall Collection, August 2026, Ipsy Ultimate. We can kind of go through here. It gives us little sneaky peekies, how to use some of the products, things like that. And we're gonna go in. I'm so excited, y'all. I cannot tell you, the May box blew my freaking socks off. I mean, I'm generally pretty pleased, but the May Ipsy Ultimate was phenomenal, and I think this one's gonna be phenomenal too. First up is the, never heard of this, the REFERRAL Beauty, the Essentials Brush Set, 3-piece brush set. Let's see what these look like. And if there's stuff in here I can demo, I will try. I do have a full face on, and I don't really want to put anything on top of this foundation because I'm doing a foundation review. If there's something I can demo and or you guys want to see something specific, comment down below and I will come back and I will do that for you guys. Oh, those are nice, and they have some weight to them. If you know, you know. I love brushes. I am somebody that feels like, you know, you can't have too many brushes. I love these. Ooh, these are the perfect length. They have a little bit of weight. They feel soft but dense. Okay, starting off with a bang, you guys. Starting off with a bang. Next up, we have something from Makeup by Mario. I am a huge fan. I do have a full face using Makeup by Mario up on my channel as well. This is the Master Mascara, Volumizing Mascara. I'm actually testing some mascaras today too. So I'm intrigued by this. Again, if you want to see a demo, let me know. Next up, we have the Sachawan, the hair repair treatment mask in a massive size. I am a fan of hair treatments, hair masks, and stuff like that. It will depend on what the scent is going to be, and you guys know I'm very mindful about waste and stuff like that. So anything that comes in here, specifically PR, that I know I will not use, I generally pay it forward. Next up, Merit. I've actually wanted to try this. I have not tried a whole lot from Merit. This is the Shade Slick Gelée Tinted Lip Oil in Maraschino. That sounds lovely. Let me see what the shade is, which generally with tinted lip oils, are they really tinted, y'all? And I've used like the gloss version of this. I do want to smell it, see what the component and stuff looks like. I don't actually smell anything. I have been a little under the weather, had some sinus stuff going on, so I really can't smell the best right now. I don't smell anything at all. I'm gonna use a toss away applicator just in the case that maybe I don't like it. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Quite thin, a little bit more slippy. It's obviously an oil. This is not gonna last long. It doesn't feel like it has a lot of grip or anything like that, but literally no stickiness, no tackiness. It feels like a standard lip oil. I don't know what else to tell y'all. Oh, and we do get 4 full-size items here, and I would have already popped details, pricing, and all that kind of stuff up here for you guys. Next up, is the Beauty Bio Swipe and Glow Peel Pads. I just finished up my First Aid Beauty ones, so I actually needed some. So this came at the perfect time. I have not tried, I don't think anything from Beauty Bio, but I do love stuff like this. When I get out of the shower, I like to tone. I like to go in with a cleansing pad like this. And then of course, hydrate, serums, all of the things. I am loving this selection so far, you guys. Loving. Next up is the Up All Night Eye Cream Mother Load. I also have never heard of that, but I'm excited. Okay. I have a couple of eye creams. I'm using a couple from L'Oreal right now. That is so pretty. And then I have a couple that I want to test, so I don't know if I'm going to get around to using this just yet, but I always kind of do some research and kind of see, you know, ingredient wise, things like that. Like if something has like cucumber or tea tree or something like that, I know I won't use it. So I'll just kind of see if I think I'll use it and keep it if I think that I will. Next up, ooh, this sounds lovely. This is from Ilia. This is the Base Face Milk Lightweight Moisturizer, Hydrating, Soothing, Plumping, and Barrier Renewal Complex. And I actually just finished up the last little bit of my Road Glazing milk, so this is also coming at a perfect time. That is a humongous size. I am a fan of like milky type consistencies and stuff like that, formulations. This is a stunning frosted glass bottle. I am excited, you guys. Alrighty, and then to round out our Ipsy Ultimate, formerly the Icon Box for the month of August, we have something from Patrick Ta, also a fan. This is the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in the shade She's the Moment. And I've had a couple of these in the past. I did declutter them. You guys know I'm very mindful about waste and stuff like that. If I don't think I'm going to use something, I don't keep it. All right, that is very, very beautiful. These are shades that I would absolutely use. Let me kind of come back some. I feel like it's a little more true to color back here. But I think I'm gonna pass that along just because I have plenty. So I will run that down very quickly one more time for y'all. We have the Patrick Ta, the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in She's the Moment. We got our Ilia, the Base Face Milk Lightweight Moisturizer for hydrating, soothing, plumping, and barrier renewal complex. Big size, feels luxe, feels nice. We got the Sacha Wand, the hair repair treatment. We've got our Beauty Bio, the Swipe and Glow Peel Pads. This says multi-acid resurfacing facial pads with Pro Strength AHA, BHA, PHA. Just a word of caution if you are new to products like this, whether it's physical exfoliants or chemical exfoliants, you want to be very cautious. You want to take a less is more approach, especially if you have very sensitive, very reactive skin. Do it 1 to 2 days a week to start with, and then make sure you are protecting your skin with some sunscreen when you go out in the sun after using products like this. Next up, we got our the Up All Night Eye Cream. We got the Merit, the Shade Slick Gelée Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Maraschino. We got one of my favorite categories of makeup, the Makeup by Mario Master Mascara. And then to round things out, we got our beautiful brush set from Rel Beauty, the Essentials Brush Set. It says, create endless looks with the Essentials Brush Set. These full-sized brushes are multi-use. The Everyday brush is perfect for blush, bronzer, and body. The Everything brush is for everything. Highlighter, sculpting, lids, you name it. And I'm that same way. Of course, a brush can kind of be specified for a specific job, if you will. Y'all use a brush however you want to use it, okay? And then the Everywhere brush is for a natural and soft sweep of color or glow. And all three brushes can be used with cream or powder products. It is giving versatile. Again, I've never heard of the brand. I know some people kind of complain if it's not well-known, you know, popular, really nice luxe brands or whatever the case may be. I like to discover new brands in a subscription service. As a matter of fact, I discovered Nomad Cosmetics from Ipsy. I think I got like a single bronzer or single eyeshadow years and years and years ago, and I liked it so much that I followed them, and now I get PR from them. So, you know, I'm a fan of things like that. That is it. You know what? it's right up there. It is right up there with the May. I think the Ultimate nails it every single time. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. Were you right in your guesses? I want to know. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys will stick around, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I do also have an 8,000 subscriber giveaway up on my channel, you guys, and I'm only 7 subscribers away. I'm putting this up today. I'm only 7 subscribers away from that. So if you do see this, I will make sure I link that. If not, you can just go back, a few videos, and you will see my 8,000 subscriber giveaway, and it's a good one. So good luck if you do enter. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for joining my beauty family. You can hype this video, you can share it out, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.